Hey everybody, my name is Ramel.
And I am Chanel.
And we are the Perfume Pair.
Welcome to our channel where we talk fragrance.
And if you'd like to join us on our journey of always smelling good, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Stay in the loop.
All right, so last week we dropped a video about having a mystery box and just going blindly and smelling whatever we picked out from the box.
Yep. So now we're on part 2, guys. We're back to the mystery.
Yeah, so just as a recap, we picked out 3 and Chanel actually enjoyed all 3 to a certain degree.
Yeah, and we purchased the box from another fragrance influencer.
The Perfume Guy.
And the box comes with 35 different fragrances. So we've gone through 3 of them. And I guess we're going to pick another 3 today and see what we come up with.
Yeah, so let's go get right into it. So again, this is the box.
Yeah, let's show the guy, open it from that side. You can show his logo. So we've had some good ones so far. So I'm looking forward to see what we're going to smell today. So he's digging in the goodie bag.
So again, had not looked to see what's in it. So completely blind to what I'm gonna get.
What do we have? Okay.
Feels like a box.
They're elusive.
I did hear there was a discovery set in there as well. So.
Oh, not the discovery set.
So, first one, a brand I am not familiar with at all. So it's called Oud Nights.
And if he is not familiar with it, I definitely am probably not familiar with it. Never heard of Oud Nights. Is that the name of the fragrance or is that the brand?
It looks like it's the name of the fragrance. Now the brand looks like it's Passade.
Oh. Well, I'm liking the neutral colors. It's giving cool, calm, collected vibes off top.
Okay, good. We don't have to research it because all of the notes is in there.
So we're gonna.
I did see the notes, but I don't want to have an idea.
He's cheating again. He cheated last video.
No, I saw it, but I'm not looking.
Oh, you saw it, but you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay. Well, let's give it a spray.
You have the honors.
Thank you. All right, guys. Let me see. Ooh. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna have to smell it again. Is it a men's fragrance?
I like this.
He likes it. I'm like,
I like this a lot.
It's something about it. It smells velvety to me.
It's definitely oudi.
And I guess it's the oud.
It's definitely
there we go. We put our little note up there.
Now, I will say,
know.
It smells like something I smelled before, but I can't put my finger on what it smells like. But
and I typically feel like I like a oud. I like something that's a little more for my scent, I'm smelling. Hold on.
Now I will say it's a little animalic.
You know what this sounds like? And please tell the people what animalic means. Me being the people.
Okay.
Or your definition of animalic.
Yeah, because I don't know the exact way to describe it, but animalic.
Is it like you can feel the particles? You can sense it? I'm trying to understand.
No, it's almost like a.
Oh, like animals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is reminding me of Tom Ford Black Orchid. Black Orchid? I'm sitting here trying to pick it up. I'm trying to figure it out. And I can say that I know that fragrance because when we were on a trip and we received a sample, it was not long. They just did a re-release of it. And I remember thinking, it's a very unique scent, but I like it. And so this is giving me, for some reason, a little bit of that. Hey, your girl is getting better.
I'm impressed.
So you agree?
Yes. I don't know if I would have picked that up, but yeah,
I was like, I knew I could smell something, and that is a unique fragrance. But we're not talking about Tom Ford. We're talking about Oud Nights.
Okay, so look. So I go on for Jantica to kind of confirm what I think I'm smelling, and the 5th thing on here, animalic.
Okay.
So yeah, it is animalic.
I don't know what that means, y'all, but he's the expert. I'm here for support.
If I was an expert, I would be able to perfectly describe what it is.
Look, you got me beat. I couldn't even. I'm here for support.
Yeah.
So, animalic. Okay.
And the second highest thing on here is oud. So again, you have to kind of like oud to like a scent like this. Now.
Okay, so what are our notes?
Actual notes.
Quite a few of them, it seems.
Yeah, we definitely need to read the card because for Jantica, it's only naming 3, but.
Well, maybe those, I guess, the strongest, or maybe they're mixtures of those.
Or they just summarized it. But grapefruit, Artemisia, cumin, cypress, nutmeg, saffron, rose, oud, leather, amber, tonka, and sandalwood. Now, I love rose fragrances, especially rose oud combination with some amber and tonka. So a lot of those things I already like. So yeah.
I feel like I'm smelling definitely the oud. I'm smelling of the rose. I'm smelling the leather. I don't feel like I'm smelling any of the like top notes, the fresh. I guess the grapefruit is supposed to maybe give it a little freshness. I don't know what grapefruit transpires into fragrance, like scent wise. But I don't know how I feel about it.
I'm gonna give this. Now I know I said I like this a lot, but I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
Okay.
I don't know. 8 sounds too high, but
Okay.
I like it. I really do.
Okay, where would you wear something like this?
Ooh, that is date night.
Okay, so not to work.
No.
No, I agree, not to work.
Not to work. I would definitely say this is a sophisticated smell. Definitely dress up. I don't even see a casual wear.
Okay. I'm giving 5.5.
Really?
Yes. Oh no. Okay, the phone disagreed with my rating, guys.
Yeah.
It went a little haywire.
As soon as she said 5.5, it basically was like, nope.
No, it wasn't happening. However, 5.5, I feel like it reminds me too much of Tom Ford's Black Orchid. Orchid?
And we had the sample to kind of compare.
I guess maybe we'll compare it. So I'll do 5.5 tentatively because I feel like if it smells like that, I'm just gonna wear the other one.
Yeah.
That's my opinion.
All right, well, let's go to the next one.
All right, on to the next. What do we have? All right, he's mixing around the box. He's trying to pull out some good.
Okay, another one I'm not familiar with.
And if he's not familiar with it, I'm definitely not familiar with it.
Okay, so I do see notes. I didn't see a lot. But,
Okay.
It's
I
called
start opening it.
Mezzle Moroccan Heritage
Ooh,
Parisian Flair.
that sounds like I'm gonna like it. I don't know why.
I don't know.
It sounds like, I think Moroccan, I think warm, cozy. I don't know why. I've never been there.
Okay, you have the arms.
Okay. Mezzle?
Mezzle.
Or is it measle?
Measle? Mezzle?
We won't know, guys.
That's the brand, I guess.
All right, let's see if I can get. Oh, I sprayed a lot. Sorry. All right, sure. Thing up. Interesting. Passing this along, guys. I don't know. The last mystery box was I was presently surprised. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this one thus far. I was optimistic. It was giving Moroccan, but.
So, I'm gonna say right off the bat, I like it. More so, it's intriguing. That's the best way I can describe this right now. It's different.
It's very different. I don't know how I feel about it.
Definitely a niche type smell.
For a particular person. I shouldn't say that. Maybe it's just not for me.
Now, I could also say right off the bat, I don't see myself wearing this. I don't.
Well, maybe not yet. Like you like to say,
It's very
sometimes your
different.
nose gets more sophisticated along the lines.
I think it's woody, minty.
I smell minty. And I guess, yeah. I looked at the notes. I'm going to read them this time. So, at least in here, it says the notes are absinthe,
Okay.
methane du Maroc. Oh, that's mint from Morocco. That would actually be easier.
Oh,
Mineral amber, interesting. And signature musk accord. I guess I'm picking up a little bit of the muskiness. I will say that.
Yeah. In the
And that's it.
absence.
In the absence.
I definitely picked that up.
Maybe that's what's making it smell, I feel like, a little heavy.
That's interesting.
Does that mean it's not your favorite?
No, it's not. But like I mentioned in a previous video, I could appreciate the creativity. It's not a bad smell. It's just I don't think it's for me to wear.
Okay, so who would wear it? Or where would we wear it if we wore it? This is for someone who, I think...
You could do it casually.
Yeah. Outdoors.
Yeah, this is interesting.
I don't know. Honestly,
This is interesting.
Okay, so let's give us our rankings and we will move on to the next. It's not our favorite thus far.
I'll give it a 6.5.
I'm gonna give it a 5.
Okay.
Let's all go on to the next, guys.
All right.
We're keeping it short and sweet. Short and sweet.
Feels like a bag.
Okay. Ooh, interesting. Show the people what we got. We don't know what that is just yet. There is a symbol on the bag. No, look at the note.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I see. This is the next one.
Cheater.
The Things Past. Oh, that's the name of it right here. I guess the brand is called Sync.
And I guess I don't know if you can see the acronym a little bit in the imaging.
Yeah, the Things Past.
Interesting.
Okay.
So this is just an envelope. We're not quite able to.
So there's a little bit of a paragraph here. I guess I'll read it. Everything moves. Too fast, too loud, too much. You pull to keep pace until you don't. You drop the strain, find the signal, and fall into step with what actually matters. No tension, just rhythm. Okay. I don't know how that's going to translate into what this is supposed to smell like.
Let's get down to business.
Go ahead.
Brass tacks, as they like to say. The real deal. Okay. I'm feeling optimistic. Fresh. Lighter than what we've been smelling. So I do kind of like that. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit eerie. I feel like I need to smell it again to figure out whether I like it. It's different. I might like it, guys. I'm not sure.
So I pick up on some things.
Oh. I'll let you go.
I'm gonna say, without looking at the notes, I feel like there's maybe some bergamot, lemon, mandarin, orange, something along those lines.
You look good.
No, I promise I didn't.
Okay.
I promise I didn't. It's a little bit.
You're
of,
right.
Okay, I'll wait. Maybe some lemon. Maybe Sicilian lemon, to be exact. I don't know. Don't say anything. I feel like there might be a tad of greenery in it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. This is a citrusy, greenish, fresh. I like it.
Okay, let me smell it again. Now let's try that a little bit.
Let's see.
And he was right with some of the notes, not the Sicilian lemon, guys. He did not get that one.
Okay, wow.
It does feel fresh, but outdoorsy. Like I'm on a hike, but in a good way. It also kind of smells clean to me. It makes me think of washing powder.
You know, and now that I see the notes.
So what are the notes?
Okay, so we got mandarin, bergamot. I called those two. Ginger, orange flower leaves, green tea. And in the middle notes, orange flower, rose, neroli, jasmine green tea. And then on the base notes, patchouli, whitewoods, and cedarwood. So I pretty much called it. Now I wasn't expecting the rose, but yeah, I like it.
I like it. The cedar, I think the greenery is, and maybe it could be a little bit of the rose is.
No, I think it's more so of the patchouli because patchouli is green.
Okay. I like the lightness. I'm not liking the heaviness. It's like, I like the smell initially, but it's like by the time it goes through my nostrils, I'm like, I like it, but I don't.
I do like it. It's almost like, for those who know, Louis Vuitton's Imagination with a bit of orange and a splash more woods.
I cannot translate that into a smell.
For those who know.
I'm gonna rate it a 6. I went first. You go.
I'm gonna give this a 7.
Okay.
0.5. I like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we went through 3 of them. What's your favorite?
This one.
Interesting.
It's the safest. That's probably the one I would wear. Like, I would actually go ahead and wear that.
Okay.
Now the other 2, I don't think I'll wear them, but I'll have to go back and look at the video to see exactly how I rated them. But I'll say they're creative and they don't smell bad. So
I would maybe not wear any of these today, but I will say, if go guys, check out our part 1 of this video. I did wear the scent that I liked in that video, and thumbs up, it's a good one. So this batch, not one of my favorites. The previous one, a little bit better, and we're gonna come back again. We're gonna do a few more. So come along, stay with us for the ride.
All right, so we'll see y'all again next time.
Yeah, let us know if you've heard of any of these fragrances in the comments, and let us know if there's anything you're looking forward to trying out. Check us out.
Yeah, absolutely. See y'all next time.
Bye.